Hi guys, this is finally my brow tutorial. So I'm starting off with the Great Brow Basics from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm using a spoolie to really brush up my hairs and ensure that my hairs are fully aligned. And then the first product I'm going into is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This one is really fine. It has a really fine pencil which really helps to define the top and bottom area of your brow. So if you really want to give your brow some definition, because I know there's so many brow styles out there, this is a really good pencil. If you wanted to do a more feathered brow, you can also use this pencil, but rather than drawing the outline of your brow, you just feather it up. But first of all, I'm just drawing the outline using this pencil, and I really love this set because you can do wonderful things with these products and your brows will look snatched. And then I'm going in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Now this one is really good for filling in your brows because the size is thicker. It comes with a spoolie for really brushing in the brow pencil and just making sure that it's fully blended. So I really love this for filling in my brows, filling in any sparse areas, my arch, and just making sure that my brows are fully defined. Like seriously, you can't make a mistake with this because the pencil is so full. You just fill it in and it's all good. And then I love using the spoolie to really brush the tail end and the front part of my brow and just make sure that it's nice and feathered. It's not too thick in front. And then to just make sure that the definition is there, I'm going to go in with my concealer. And I am basically using my concealer underneath my brow to really clean it up and hide any brow hairs. And then on top, I tend to use my foundation to do this. I mean, you can use your concealer if your concealer is the same shade as yourself. In order to avoid any halo type of brows, it is advisable that you definitely use your foundation. Okay? And then the next product I'm going to go into is the brow gel. So this is your Gimme Brow Gel, and this is a really good size gel. Love the wand. The applicator is great for really getting to the front of your brows, especially when you've got really small brow hairs in front and the tail end, and it just fits nice. And you guys can see how snatched it ended up looking. Matches well with my foundation, nicely blended and super easy. Literally doesn't take me long when I use brow pencils. Even when I use pomades, it doesn't take me long. It's just a different process for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure you thumbs up and subscribe.